enzymes that are responsible for metabolism of drugs and drug treatment. So, today we're going to talk about human cytochrome P450 and nomenclature from the website. Let's find out more about the concepts in the protocol by downloading the protocol. At first, this website is created to encourage scientists worldwide to speak the same language and to offer common analytic definition. This is because it can compute the nomenclature system as an entity literature. Plus, there is online publication and family of allowance would feel that as necessary to the position of research of things and characterizing allowance of the described. So, in 1999, an initiative was attempted to create the human cytochrome P450 allowance nomenclature website. The first webmaster is the Kyle Osberson and Sarah Titin and his professor in February 2004. The editorial board of this committee includes technically German Steinberg and Kagan and Daniel W. Libert, whereas the international advisory board consists of Jürgen Brockmüller, Michel Esselbaum, and so on. The nomenclature system chosen for the allowance. Currently, the website covers the nomenclature for polymorphic allowance of 22 enzymes which are as highlighted. The SIG allowance website is widely used in research and drug development by academic researchers and the drug industry. So, the first database that I want to talk about is G10 database. So, this database was established on 2000 to provide information on how human genetic variation impacts drug response. This database can provide you with a variety of information on drugs. To know more about this, you can click on drugs with genetic information, and there you are. You can have the information of their chemistry, how they interact with different biological pathways to provide the desired medical effect, and you can know how this effect may be changed by specific mutation. Alright, next I will talk about the second database, which is human transporter database. It has all the comprehensive resources for human transporters. As we all know, transporters are very proteins to control the pharmacokinetic process of cellular metabolites. The third database is transporter classification database. It incorporates both functional and phylogenetic classification of the various transport processes. It contains more than 10,000 unique protein sequences.
Number 4. UGT Allele database. The human uridine glucuronidyltransferase UGT superfamily comprises enzymes responsible for a major biotransformation phase 2 pathway, the glucuronidation process. The influence of inheritable polymorphisms in human UGT encoding genes has been extensively documented and was shown to be responsible for a fraction of the observed phenotypic variability. This website will discuss novel molecular aspects that may be determinant to UGT phenotypes. Number 5. Pharma-ADME database. This is the Pharma-ADME database initiated by academic and industrial interests. The aim is to compile lists of genes and genetic variation affecting absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of drugs, and to aid in selection of genotyping assays for product development and clinical trials. There are 3 gene lists, first one being the ADME gene list, which contains genes associated with drug metabolism, the core marker gene list, which is composed of 184 genotypes and 32 genes which have been selected as most important, and lastly, the related gene list, which contains 74 genes that are related to but not involved in drug metabolism, such as drug targets and receptors. Here is a list of the core ADME gene list along with gene symbol, full gene name, and class. And lastly, this is the ADME-related gene list, which comprises of the gene symbol, full gene name, and core marker list.
CYP Allele Database. This is a CYP allele database. It contains CYP nomenclature and CYP allele characteristics. It was organized by the Human Cytochrome P450 allele nomenclature website. The main purpose of this website is for management of new allele designation based on recognized nomenclature guidelines, facilitation of rapid publication, and providing a readily available summary of alleles and their associated effect. Next is the Pharmacogenetics of Membrane Transporters database, or known as PMT database. This database is part of the Pharmacogenomics knowledge base. It focuses on drug response in relation to genetic variations in membrane transporters. So the PMT project focuses on two superfamilies of solute carrier transporters and ATP binding cassette transporters. This database covers coding and non-coding variations as well as both SNPs and indels, but does not provide allele or halotype information.